My name is Dr. Nakkul Avasthy. I'm from Ludhiana, Punjab. And I was very happy because the online classes were very accurate. They were very done nicely. Male reproductive, female reproductive, embryology, endocrinology, and the basics of gynae also. It was brushed up nicely. It was very informative. The nodules, the tests we used to have, they were also very nice, knowledgeable. And then we have come for 5 days clinical course, which has been very, very helpful to know IUI, ET, embryo transfer, OPV, hysteroscopy. As if I'm not doing IVF, I intend to start my IVF lab soon. When I was doing the studying, I was not very sure should I go for it or now. But now after doing my 5-day clinical course, I'm quite confident that I can do it, and I want to do it because it is not that difficult as it looked at by studying. And the teachers here, Anil sir, who helped us a lot. He was a guiding star for us, who helped us a lot. Ma'am, Shantla ma'am, she taught us so many good things. We didn't go in much detail with a lot of things which we didn't know about that could be the causes in the male and as well as female, and which we have been neglecting a long time. So through learning this course, we could know the real causes, and so then help them which medicine should be given, which protocol should be followed for the healthy ovum to be formed, so that it can turn into a good pregnancy and the parents get conceived and have a healthy baby in their life. Life changing in the sense, we are doing basic obstetrics and gynae, all of us doing. And infertility people are doing. A lot of things are not clear, they're just doing it. So by joining Dr. Kamini Rao, a lot of doubts had been cleared. So it has become life changing, that the doubts which were not clear before or which I didn't have an idea, I got them about it. And the specialist teaching part is very nice. Whenever you can ask questions, they help you. People out here, the other faculty, the staff, everyone is very helpful. They teach you, keep on telling you to do it. And the best part about everyone around here in this FM course, they are very positive and they are very encouraging, which is required, especially after studying after so many years. So they're very encouraging. So I think I'm very helpful, and thank you to Dr. Kamini Rao ma'am for her and her team having such a beautiful course for all of the doctors and making an IVF more easier for us. Thank you.